If you are a company with a product or service that needs a little explanation about how your products or services work, then you might consider doing a monthly webinar or just some consistent content. And that's what one of our clients did, and we helped them create it. So keep watching to learn more. I have been obsessed with film since I was 3 years old.
I have lots of experience in the corporate marketing video world. I started working in video production in 1995.
Bona is one of our greatest customers. We love them. They hired us to create a monthly webinar series. They were already doing it and they just needed a little bit of help. It's for their professional services customers that use the product. So they wanted to teach them about best practices, just different tips and tricks to be more efficient and effective.
Their webinars too, they have such a robust professional wing, if you would.
Training.
Yeah, they have live training when COVID's not an issue. And then they have this webinar series, and they have tons of other videos that are just shorter videos, how to, and these are all for their clients who are floor installers and refinishers and who, go into homes and commercial spaces and create these beautiful wood floors for their clients. And it's just basically, how do you best use the Bona products? But they're really great because they're how-to. They're very visual. They show the process. I mean, you can see every bit of the process as they go through it. And I would imagine that if I were a floor installer, it would be extremely helpful to see one of those webinars.
And what I really love about their webinars is that these guys that are doing it are real. We're doing the process right then and there, and there are hiccups along the way, and instead of stopping and redoing and making this video perfect, they address it because this stuff happens, and so it's just so
And
real.
here's how you fix it.
Here's how you fix it. This is what to look for if it is a mistake. And it's cool because it's real, it's there. These guys have been doing it for years and years and years. They've seen everything, and to just have, listen to them talk about how passionate they are about flooring and how cool it can be is just really awesome.
Any company that has a lot of training pieces and parts, there's a lot of nuances and variables to their products and services, putting out videos, the way that Bona's done it is a great example of how to just provide a lot of excellent customer service for the people you serve.
Absolutely. What a great value too for
Yeah.
clients.
Yeah, totally.